Hello everyone. Today we shall look into a scenario where we correct the totals of a particular column which is related to the totals of ranking. Okay, what we shall do is we shall look into a table where we have country and few total sales values in a table. Here I'll bring in the total countries. Here I'll add data. I'll bring in the country column. I have written a measure which is total sales, which is sum of sales. I am bringing the total sales measure and I'll convert it to table in order to make you understandable. Okay, here we have country and total sales. The total it is around 127 million. So here we have the country and total sales. What we shall do is we shall create a measure where we want top 5 sales among the countries. Here I am creating a new measure. We'll name the measure as rank value equal to, I'll type rank x. In the table expression, I'll use all function to remove filters and I'll use the sales country column, close the parenthesis. In the expression, I would write total sales measure, which is my sum of sales. For the value, since I do not have any particular value, I'll skip it. In this order, I would like to see the descending sales, and the ties, if I have ties, I'll use the dense. Okay, I'll close the parenthesis and hit enter. Let us see the ranking of countries based upon the sales. We have sorted it in descending order. Okay, let us bring into the table. Here I'll add the rank value measure which is created, and here you could see that our rank values in the descending order, we are getting it correctly from 1 till 24. But here you could see that in rank by default it is number 1. So instead of ranks, suppose that I want to get the top 5 sales, what I could do is I could use an if condition using this rank x function. So I'll get back to the measure. I'll make a variable. Okay, I'll write variable. I'll name the variable as my rank. Okay, after the function which I have used, I'll write variable result equal to, I'll use a if condition. If my rank is less than or equal to 5, then provide me total sales, otherwise provide me blank. This is a if condition where I have written in a separate variable. I'll use the return clause where I'll return the result. Okay, this is very easily understandable. I'll just commit. Okay, if at all we could see in the table, here we have top 5 countries with top 5 values. Okay, here for the rest of the values it is blank, and if you could notice the total is 127 million for both of the values, but it is wrong, since for these values we have to get the total which is much less than the 127 million. So let us understand how to correct the total which is wrong here, right? Let us get back to the measure and let us see how to fix it. Here, instead of returning the result directly, what I'll do is I'll write one more if condition. Okay, in the logical test, let us use one has one value function with respect to the sales country column. If it has one values, then provide me the result output. If we don't have the values, then let us calculate the total sales, okay, for the top 5 values. So to calculate the top 5 values total, I'll use top n function. In the n value I'll write 5. Okay, and in the next parameter in the table expression, I'll use values function where I would input the sales country. Okay, and I'll put a comma. In the order by expression, I'll use the total sales, and in the order I need descending order, and I'll close the parenthesis of top n. close the parenthesis of calculate and close the parenthesis of if condition. Okay, I'll just commit. Let us get back to the table and see here. Here you could see that all the summation of total rank values which are present, I am getting the appropriate total, right? So this is how we fix this rank value totals using has one value function and in a if condition using variables. I hope it is understandable. This is all for now. Thank you for watching and we shall meet in the next video.